Hi there, welcome to Spanish Tuition Nottingham's video on how to access the Etapas online resources which accompany your exercise books. So it's a fairly simple process. All you need to do at the top of your web browser, in the address bar, if you just type in this address, which is the www.edinewman-elateca.es. So that's the address for the login page which you need. Hit return. Okay, and you get taken to the login page, the initial Elateca login page which accompanies the exercise books that you have. If you haven't logged in before, not used it before, you can click on this little box and we'll go through the registration process in a sec. If you have registered before, you'll be familiar with this, and this is where you just insert your email address and your password, and you can enter and access the exercises online that way. Okay, so first of all, we'll click register now, and then you're taken to the details page where you just input all your logging in information. So I'll just sort of pause the video quickly, get our information in, and we'll go from there. Okay, so what you can see here, all you need to do at the top in the first box is put in your email address here. It then asks to sort of repeat your email in here, just double checking it's all correct. So just putting your email address in the second box here. It's then asking for a password, and this password is required when you log in onto the Eddie Newman online resources. So if you just put your password in here, and then just repeat the password here, make sure the spelling's all correct. And then here they're just asking for your name and your surname, which go here and here. And then finally on the drop down menu at the bottom here, you just need to click on Estudiante, which is student. There we go. And then you'll need to tick the box that says Aprendiendo para hablar español. So you're wanting to learn to speak Spanish. If you just tick that and click finalize or finaliza inscription, click there, it should take you through to the next phase. Okay, so what you find here is they've got some information on the page which has confirmed that your details have gone through, and they'll have sent an email to you. So you'll just need to check your email address or go to your email provider and there should be a message in there with a link which takes you to the next phase of the process. Okay. So if you open your email or email provider, which we have here, as you can see, we've got an email here from Eddie Newman, the Etapas thing. So we click on that. Check out the email here, and then we have some information. Obviously, if you are on one of the higher levels, you may be able to understand this more clearly than other people. If not, this is why I'm sort of going through it in English. You just need to confirm this and click on one of the following links. Okay, the email also highlights that you can change your details, and it's also confirming your email address that is registered with this account, and also confirms your password details and things. So the next phase, now all your details have been registered, all you need to do, if we head back to the original page that we're on, if we copy and paste our initial address into that, wrong piece here, so bear with me 2 seconds. Right, so if we put the address that we had initially, which is to the login page, which is just www.edinewman-elateca.es, press return, get taken back in. Now we should just be able to log in using the details that you put in on the previous form. I'll enter this information now, make sure you're not hanging around waiting for me to enter it. I'll just pause the video for a minute. Okay, so as you can see, we've put our email address in the top box here, and our password in here, and they're the same details that we put in the form when we clicked on our registration initially before. Then if you just click enter, you then get taken to this next page here, which lists all the different sort of books and sort of learning options they have. The ones we'll be focusing on will be the Etapas extensions digital. Extension digital, which is just here. So if you click that one there, and you'll then be given all the books which we work through in class. So with the book that's relevant to your studies, it'll have the number on the front of the page. So in this case, we're looking at Etapas 7, so we'll click on that one there. And then you select whether you're the teacher or a student. So professor or alumno will be the student. So if you select Entrar, and then it will request the code to access for that book. So what you'll need to do, you'll need to have your actual textbook to hand, the Etapas exercise book to hand, and you'll need to go to page 2 of the textbook, and there'll be you'll notice there'll be two boxes, a pink and a blue box on the second page of your textbook. And within the pink textbook, there will be a number which you need, and that'll be for it will say código de acceso, and that's for allowing you the code to access the online resources. So if you put that code in, move 2 seconds. Okay, and then press solicitar. We don't want to involve means return, so or press return. There we go. Okay, so it's accepted that now, and we should be able to access those things. There we go. It's loaded up, and this is where the fun begins, basically. So this is where you can practice all your activities here, and there's the tests also available here. So now it's just up for you guys to click on those links and have a go at some of the exercises. So to give you an idea, we'll click Unidad 1 or exercise 1. Just wait for that to load up. Okay, and that's it. This is where we start the exercise. So, as you can see, it gives a little brief introduction. Continue, and here we go. The exercise begins. So that's about it for sort of registration for the Etapas exercises online, which link in with the exercise with your exercise book. So get on there, get practicing, and I hope this video has helped with the registration process. Okay, many thanks. Bye.